presenting the new see-through public toilet in Tokyo. Why and how? This see-through public toilet was founded by the Nippon Foundation. Although it's catching a lot of attention, there are few reasons behind it. First is all about hygiene, as most of us are worried to use public toilets. And the second is about safety, just want to make sure that no one's inside. Also, it has 3 cubicles surrounded by transparent tinted glass in sign, lime green, blue, yellow, pink or purple with the designated gender sign respectively. The design relies on a new smart glass technology that turns the walls opaque when the door is locked. Come and let's experience it. It's now time for hide and seek. Now you see me. Now you see me not. Now you see me. Now you see me not. So I just got inside, and as you can see, if you won't lock the door, you can see people from the inside, and they can see you from the outside. But once you lock the door, it turns opaque, and you can now continue your business. This toilet is surrounded by a mirror. It has a washlet. These are the toilet buttons for your bidet, sa imong love, flushing buttons, the toilet bowl, and I just peed. There you go. This is how it looks like. Is it a yay or a nay? Comment down below.